The best folding chairs provide temporary and reasonably comfortable seating for indoor or outdoor events and are easy to store between uses. We evaluated numerous folding chair options on ease of setup and storage, comfort, and sturdiness. Our best overall pick, the Emma Plus Oliver Resin Folding Chair, is durable, lightweight, and features a removable waterproof seat pad. There are many products available to choose best 5 folding chairs, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best 5 folding chairs from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Coleman Oversized Quad Chair. You'll be glad to have a Coleman Cooler Quad with you on your next camping trip. This portable folding chair has a heavy-duty steel frame, plus a cushioned seat and backrest with weather-resistant polyester upholstery. The roomy seat measures 24 inches wide and 18 inches from the ground and can support up to 325 pounds of weight. As its name suggests, the Cooler Quad has a built-in chiller for up to 4 cans, plus side pockets and a mesh cup holder. What we like, reasonably priced, built-in cooler, comes with carrying bag. Number 2. GCI Outdoor Freestyle Rocker Portable Folding Chair. If you're partial to rocking chairs, check out the GCI Outdoor Freestyle Rocker. Featuring a powder-coated steel frame and nylon-coated feet, it weighs just over 12 pounds and has a 250-pound capacity. The seat, padded armrests, and built-in drink holder are made of weather-resistant fabric. A patented spring-action mechanism offers smooth rocking on various outdoor terrains, and the brand's Easy Fold technology makes for effortless folding and unfolding. This portable rocking chair also comes with a limited lifetime warranty. What we like, spring-action rocking mechanism, easy to fold, lifetime warranty. Number 3. Nice Sea Low Beach Folding Chair. Heading to the sands, you might consider packing a nice sea beach folding chair. You can buy it individually or in a set of 2. Each weighing just over 6 pounds with its own carrying bag. Thanks to a heavy-duty steel frame and sink-resistant leg caps, this low-profile folding chair can support up to 300 pounds of weight. The breathable seat and cup holder are made of industrial-grade polyester mesh to keep you cool and comfy as you watch the waves. What we like, lightweight, durable design, comes with carrying bag. Number 4. SwimWays Kelsyus Original Canopy Chair. You can never have too much sun protection when hanging out at the beach, lake, park, or soccer field. That's why we love the Kelsyus Original Canopy Chair from SwimWays. The patented canopy boasts a UPF of 50 to safeguard you from the sun's rays. You can pull it down and lock it when you need cover and draw it back when you want to go shade-free. What's more, the canopy doubles as a carrying case and has a built-in shoulder strap for maximum portability. At almost 12 pounds, the Kelsyus is on the heavier side, but it can support up to 250 pounds of weight. What we like, built-in canopy, UPF 50 plus protection, carrying strap. Number 5. Flash Furniture Hercules Series. When you think of metal folding chairs, you probably imagine a somewhat drab design, but Flash Furniture's Hercules series is a horse of a different color. Available in cherry red, dove gray, sophisticated beige, or glossy black. These wallet-friendly chairs are sleek and presentable. They're made of 18-gauge steel with riveted components and double-brace legs for ultimate support and durability. Each chair is just 8 pounds and can support up to 225 pounds of weight. What we like, budget-friendly, lightweight, sold individually and in sets. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification to get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool product, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.